So I have this piece of jewelry that I love, and it's a bracelet, and it broke, and I'm going to attempt to repair it. So I'm going to take this jewelry cord and thread it through the little channel back here, and then attach the smaller one next to it, just like this. I'm going to go and do a double take through this bigger one, and channel it again and through. I'm going to pull both ends to the side like this. I'm going to channel it through the smaller one up here and make a knot right there. And as you can see, I've got them pulled through here. We're going to knot it now. We're going to make surgical knots back and forth, over and under. I'm going to do several of them. And now I'm going to continue all the way around until we finish and we put it all together. I'm going to cut this down, and I have 2 pieces finished, and this one broke, so we're not going to use that. We're just going to use 2 more. Alright, so here's the second one that's finished. I'm going to cut this down. So I have 3 pieces. Now we're going to go and attach the small one here and the big one here, and then we're going to do a loop around. So here is another session of tying the knots. Cutting this down. Alright, so here is more knot tying. And we have one more knot to tie by bringing these 2 together, and then the bracelet is repaired. Okay, so now we're going to bring the other one around, and we're going to tie this together.